Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Aaraf. قال يا موسى إني اصطفيتك على الناس برسالاتي وبكلامي فخذ ما آتيتك وكن من الشاكرين. Translation. Allah said, O Musa, indeed I have chosen and preferred over the people with my message I entrust upon you and by my words that I spoke to you. So take that what I have given you and be among the thankful. In the previous ayah we studied that how Musa alayhi salam requested Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to see him, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala replied that you will not be able to see me, but if you want to see me you should look at the mountain and we will show a glory to the mountain, and if the mountain could withstand our glory you may be able to see us. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala showed a glory to the mountain and the mountain became the dust. And with this indirect observation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's glory onto the mountain, Musa alayhi salam lost his consciousness and became senseless, and he became unconscious. And then when he regained the consciousness, he made the tasbih of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and he repented to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and he declared his iman. In today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has talked to Musa alayhi salam that, O Musa, indeed I have chosen you and I have preferred you over the other people. Indeed, you could not see me and not able to see me. However, I have given you so many other things. I have made you my prophet. I have given you the Torah, and I have talked to you like a person is talked to, and whatever I have bestowed upon you, you should be thankful and you should hold that tight, and you should try to remain in those people who are the shakirin, who are the people who are thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on whatever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given them. Every human being, if he ponders on himself, he will find that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given so much to him. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's gifts cannot be thanked, but one must keep an attitude of thankfulness, and one must keep an attitude that nobody can thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala should be thanked, because the gifts are too many and we are not able to thank on everything. In our body there are hundreds of thousands of different chemical reactions and so many different organs that work for the existence of ourselves, and we don't even know all the things that are working just for our existence. So our attitude should be that we should remain thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Oh Allah, keep us among your slaves who try to thank you all the time. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.